Which bird is likely to have a long, thin beak? Sparrow. Which bird is likely to have a curved beak? Flamingo. Which bird is likely to have a hooked beak? Eagle. Which bird is likely to have a cone-shaped beak? Parrot. Which bird is likely to have a thick, strong beak? Woodpecker. Which bird is likely to have a needle-like beak? Kingfisher. Which bird is likely to have a spoon-shaped beak? Pelican. Which bird is likely to have a stubby, powerful beak? Hawk. Which bird is likely to have a short, sharp beak? Chickadee. Which bird is likely to have a slender, slightly hooked beak? Oriole.